Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss the topic cleavage. So basically what is cleavage? Cleavage हम किसे कहते हैं? Cleavage is when the fertilization process is completed. After the fertilization process, the second step that occurs is the cleavage. First is fertilization, second is cleavage. So cleavage, depending upon the concentration of the yolk, the quantity of the yolk, distribution of the yolk that is present in the egg, cleavage is of various types, which is seen in different animals, vertebrates and invertebrates. So first type is holoblastic cleavage. Depending upon the concentration of the yolk, cleavage is of two types. First is holoblastic, second is meroblastic cleavage. So what is holoblastic cleavage? Holoblastic cleavage is, first of all, holoblastic means this type of cleavage will generally occur in the egg that has very low concentration of yolk. And holoblastic means that there will be complete cleavage of the egg because there is very low concentration of the yolk. So complete cleavage or total cleavage is seen in this. While in the meroblastic cleavage, as the concentration of yolk is more in this type of eggs, so partial or incomplete cleavage is seen in them. So depending upon the distribution, holoblastic cleavage is of two types. Distribution of the yolk, the cleavage of holoblastic cleavage is of two types: isolecithal, mesolecithal. What is isolecithal? Isolecithal is if the egg contains evenly distributed yolk, uniformly distributed yolk, then it is isolecithal. That is seen in this type of cleavage is seen in sea urchin. And second type is mesolecithal. Mesolecithal means, suppose this is the egg, it has low concentration of yolk, but it is present at one position, like this is the yolk concentration, like it is seen in case of frogs. Then isolecithal is again of four types, depending upon their position of how they get separated, how they get cleavaged. It is of four types: radial, bilateral, rotational, spiral. If the cleavage is radial type of cleavage, then it is radial holoblastic cleavage. If it is bilaterally type of cleavage, as in case of tunicates, then it is bilateral holoblastic cleavage, that is seen in tunicates. Rotational type of cleavage is seen in case of mammals and nematodes, and spiral type of cleavage is seen in mollusks, annelids and flatworms. Then comes type of mesolecithal cleavage. Mesolecithal cleavage has only one type, that is radial or displaced radial. So that type of cleavage is seen in case of the amphibians. Now comes the second type of cleavage, that is the meroblastic cleavage. Meroblastic cleavage means, as we all know, the concentration of yolk in this type of egg is high, so partial or incomplete cleavage will take place. Meroblastic cleavage is of two types, telolecithal and centrolecithal. If the yolk is concentrated at one end, one tail, suppose this is the egg and this is the yolk. This is the yolk. Now this part will undergo cleavage where there is no yolk. That is telolecithal, as in case of fish, reptiles and birds. Telolecithal is again of two types, bilateral and discoidal. Bilateral cleavage is seen in cephalopods and discoidal is seen in fish, reptiles and birds. Cephalopod is a class of mollusk. Then centrolecithal, if the egg is present at the center, yolk is present at the center of the egg, then it is centrolecithal. Then superficial cleavage will take place. Around it cleavage will take place, not at the center, like in case of insects. Insects is an example of centrolecithal superficial meroblastic cleavage. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you.